So, the first cabinet will be the shaker kitchen cabinet. Why is it so suitable for every household? Firstly, its timeless design. Shaker cabinets have simple, clean design with a 5-piece door and a recessed center panel. This timeless style fits well with both traditional and contemporary kitchen designs. Secondly, versatility. They come in various finishes and colors, allowing them to blend seamlessly with your kitchen themes and decorations. Thirdly, durability. These kind of cabinets often made from solid wood or high quality MDF. Shaker cabinets are known for their durability and longevity. Last but not least, the easy to maintain. Their straightforward design make them easy to clean and maintain, ideal for busy households. When it comes to the flat panel cabinets, which means it's like modern cabinets. Firstly, the modern aesthetic of these flat panel cabinets, which is flat panel cabinets offer a sleek and minimalist looks that suits modern and contemporary kitchens, which like 90% of people are looking for this kind of kitchen household. Secondly, cost effective. Typically, they are less expensive than more ornate styles, making them a great choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Thirdly, easy cleaning part. The smooth, flat surface is easy wipe down and maintain, which is practical for families and children with large number of family members. Last but not least, the customizations. This kind of cabinets available in wide range of materials, colors and finishes, and flat panel cabinets can be tailored to match any kitchen style. Thirdly, when it comes to the glass front cabinets, the first advantage you will be having is the elegant display. Glass front cabinets provide a stylish way to display your dishware, glassware and decorative items, adding a touch of elegance to the kitchen. Secondly, visual interest. They break up the monotony of solid cabinets fronts and add visual interest to the kitchen. Thirdly, the versatility of designs. This kind of cabinets will be available in various styles, including frosted, clear or textured glass, to suit every kind of design preferences. Last but not least, the light reflection. Glass fronts can help to make a kitchen feel brighter and more open by reflecting the beautiful light. So for today's last type of cabinets, which is the European style cabinets. Firstly, the aesthetic. The European style cabinets will often provide the homeowners to help them to represent a traditional and classical views of kitchen cabinets, making the house feels more premium than others. Secondly, the maximizing of storage. Without a face frame, this kind of cabinets offer more accessible storage space. Thirdly, the smooth operation. This kind of cabinets typically use high quality hardware for smooth opening and closing. Last but not least, customizable finishes. Available in wide range of material and finishes, including high gloss matte and wood veneer. We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.